Alrighty, old goats. Well, we got it plugged in. Time to start her up. See how she wants to start. Hold button. Lift bell. Release bell. Oh, wait, what? Hold button, lift bell, release bell. Okay, hold button. Okay, we know how to start her. We'll get her over here. Come on. Hey, doggy. See, hold the button, raise your arm. It says to release the arm, but I don't think we're supposed to release the arm. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Well, as you can see, I mean, she might not have gotten a whole lot up, but she did get quite a bit. And I had just mulched this, and then mowed it with a bagger to get up everything that I had mowed. And I mean, there is quite a bit in here that it pulled up. And I mean, I just bagged it. I just bagged it. Some of it's dead, some of it, you know, not this spot here, not a whole lot dead in there. I mean, but there is some that's dead in there that's built up a little bit. The rest of it looks pretty much fresh, but I wouldn't have thought there had been this much, considering I just mulched it and then just bagged it. I mean, what did we get, 2 bags out of this section of grass here?
2 or 3.
Yeah. I mean, this is what's left behind, so. Which I don't know. Some of this could have been last week when I moved. It's just, wow. I mean, in some of them spots, if you want to come over here for a minute. You got this spot here. Alright, so this spot here, this is where I turned her around at. And I mean, you can see, this is where she dumped. This is where the pile dumped at. And I mean, that's a lot of grass for just me turning around and dumping it. I mean, there's a lot of dead stuff in there. There's a lot of live stuff in there. So a lot of it's fresh, but there is a lot of dead stuff that's been there for a while. I mean, this is just one turnaround. This is just one time of lifting her up and turning her around. I mean, that's a pretty good pile. That's a pretty good pile. And I mean, there's piles like this every time she got turned around. So if you got any questions about whether or not that dethatcher works, it does. I mean, I just mulched this and then just bagged it as well. And there's a lot of dead stuff in here. A lot of live stuff too, but that could have been last week when I mowed. There's a lot of dead stuff in there. I'm happy. I mean, my extension cord won't reach to the back of the yard. I'll have to get a different extension cord to do the full backyard. But as far as dethatching, wow, I wouldn't have thought there would have been this much in my backyard. And this is just one row. This is one pass. turning it around. You know, the other pass going back, there's a pile just as big down at the other end. You know, and then there's another pile just as big right over here. I mean, if you rake it up a little bit. You know, and then another pile on the next pass after that. It's just, wow, I'm happy. Dethatch our yard and hopefully make our grass a little bit better. Bye. Alrighty, old goats, we've already done 3 passes around, and we've got 2 bags of grass. Earlier today, after we mulched it, and when we went back over it, we only got 2 bags of mulch, or grass. So, being that this is 2 bags, or additional bags, in the 3 passes around, I'm kind of concerned as to how many bags this is going to be to do the whole yard. So, anyway, we got our 3 around cut. So it's time to do our back and forth. And we'll try to remember to count how many bags that is. That was 5 bags. That last bag was about 90–95% full. They couldn't fit much more. So that's 2 bags before we used the Dethatcher, and 5 bags after we used it. That's 7 bags total, guys. As far as that GreenWorks Electric Dethatcher, I'm gonna say I'm pretty daggone happy with it. I'm tired. I mean, I've been out here pretty much all day mowing the yard, but I'm tired. But this part of the backyard is detached. I still gotta detach the other side, which I didn't count. I didn't even bag anything over there. I gotta go back over it and bag. I think I did the front yard, outside the fence. I gotta bag it, so I don't even know how many bags those are gonna take. The side over there and the front, I have no clue. I'm just talking right here in the back where you see 2 bags before dethatching, 5 bags after dethatching. That's a pretty big difference. Bye.
Bye.